Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide story from specific friends on Threads. So the option of stories is not available on Threads in 2025. We hope that this feature will be on Threads soon. I have a solution for it's similar to that one is to go into create threads, then create, and right here I want you to create whatever you want on your thread, and after that I want to go into your followers can reply and quote, tap on it, and right here I want you to choose profiles your follow or mentioned only, and mention the ones that you want to reply to, or the one that can reply to your thread. The solution actually is on Instagram. The threads is by Instagram too. So by going on Instagram, I just want you to go into your profile below. So tap on it. This one on the bottom right corner, and after that I want you to go into this three lines. Tap on it, and after that I want you to type hide. Okay, hide on the search bar. Hide story and live, this option, tap on it, and right here I want you to go into hide story and live from, and here you can choose the one that you want to hide your story from them, and you don't want them to see your stories. Anyways, this is the solution. This is the current solution, by the way, and that's how you can hide the story from specific friends on Threads, how to hide Threads, and on also Instagram. And that's it. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.